Welcome to Wealth Wise Together, where we focus on building a better future through patience and discipline. This session is designed especially for young entrepreneurs, offering motivational insights to help you navigate the challenges and opportunities ahead. Together, we'll explore how staying committed and thoughtful in your approach can lead to lasting success. Let's dive in and start shaping your path with wisdom and determination. To every young entrepreneur, I want to acknowledge how challenging this path can feel. It's completely normal to feel overwhelmed by the many decisions you need to make and the uncertainty about which direction to take. Running a business requires constant balancing, especially when it comes to managing your professional responsibilities alongside your personal life. Remember, this isn't a journey you're on by yourself. Many have faced these same challenges and found their way through. You're part of a community that understands and supports you. Now, let's talk about the silent struggles many entrepreneurs face. One of the biggest challenges is financial pressure. Unlike a regular paycheck, income can be inconsistent, which makes budgeting and planning really tough. This uncertainty often leads to accumulating debt and a constant fear of failure. On top of that, many entrepreneurs experience burnout and self-doubt as they juggle these pressures. In fact, about 70% of entrepreneurs report feeling high levels of stress specifically related to their finances. These factors can weigh heavily on anyone trying to build a successful business. Every success story begins with a starting point, and it's important to remember that every successful entrepreneur once faced confusion, uncertainty, and financial challenges. Growth isn't instantaneous. It's a gradual process that requires patience and persistence. Despite what social media might make it seem like, real progress takes time and effort behind the scenes. This mindset is crucial for staying motivated and realistic as you work towards your goals. When we talk about the foundations of real wealth, there are a few key principles to keep in mind. First is consistency. It's the small, daily actions that really add up over time. Whether it's saving a little bit each day or making thoughtful financial decisions, these habits build a strong base. Next is patience. Wealth isn't something that usually happens overnight. It takes time to grow, so it's important to keep a long-term perspective. Discipline plays a huge role too. Managing your money wisely means sticking to a budget, avoiding unnecessary expenses, and making smart investments. Finally, emotional resilience is crucial. There will always be setbacks along the way, but staying strong and not letting emotions drive your financial decisions helps you stay on track toward your goals. These foundations together create a stable path to lasting wealth. Managing financial pressure is really about accepting that uneven income is a normal part of the journey, especially if you're self-employed or working on projects. To help ease the stress, creating a simple budget can make a big difference. It doesn't have to be complicated, just clear enough to give you a sense of control. It's crucial to prioritize your essential expenses first and focus on managing any debt carefully. And perhaps most importantly, try to stay calm when reviewing your finances. Staying composed allows you to make better decisions without feeling overwhelmed. Now, let's talk about patience and discipline in action. On one hand, the impulsive path might seem tempting because it promises quick wins. But this often leads to overspending, burnout, and increased financial stress. It's like running a sprint when the race is actually a marathon. On the other hand, the disciplined path involves steady saving and consistently reinvesting profits. This approach requires a long-term focus and can lead to sustainable growth over time. The key takeaway here is that while patience and discipline might not offer immediate rewards, they build a much stronger and more reliable foundation for success in the long run. Now, let's talk about emotional resilience and mindset, which are crucial for long-term success. First, it's important to accept failure as a part of learning. Every setback is an opportunity to grow and improve. Alongside that, we need to celebrate small wins. Recognizing these moments keeps us motivated and helps build momentum. Speaking of motivation, maintaining it even when things are uncertain is key. That steady drive pushes us through challenges. And finally, remember this powerful idea. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Discipline helps us stay focused and consistent, turning our aspirations into reality. It's important to celebrate every step forward, no matter how small it may seem. Progress, even when it's just a little bit at a time, is still progress. Your journey is unique and valuable, and every milestone you reach is a meaningful achievement. Recognizing these moments keeps you motivated and reminds you that each step brings you closer to your ultimate vision. So take a moment to acknowledge your growth and keep moving ahead with confidence. It's essential to keep learning and growing throughout your financial journey. Start by educating yourself on financial literacy. Understanding the basics will empower you to make informed decisions. Don't hesitate to seek mentors and connect with supportive communities. Their guidance can offer valuable insights and motivation. Regularly take time to reflect on your goals and your progress to stay on track. And remember, it's okay to adjust your plans as needed, as long as you don't lose sight of your overall vision. This continuous cycle of learning, support, reflection, and flexibility is key to long-term success. Now that we've covered the essentials of building wealth, let's talk about the next steps to keep your financial journey on track. First, it's crucial to track your income and expenses every month. This habit gives you a clear picture of where your money is going and helps you make informed decisions. Next, set realistic savings goals that align with your lifestyle and financial aspirations. Goals that challenge you but are still achievable. Investing thoughtfully is another key point, both in your business and in yourself. This means dedicating resources to areas that offer long-term growth, whether that's improving your skills or expanding your business operations. Lastly, practice patience. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Make sure to review your progress regularly, ideally every quarter, so you can adjust your strategy as needed and stay motivated. These steps together will help you build a solid foundation for lasting financial success. As we wrap up, I want to remind you that we're all in this together. Building a better future takes time, patience, and discipline, so don't get discouraged along the way. Stay committed and keep taking those consistent steps forward. Remember, you're not alone. Our community is here to support you, helping to cultivate a strong financial mindset and guiding each other toward lasting success. Be sure to join us by clicking the link in the bio to access our school platform. And if you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to stay connected. Let's keep building something great together.